Hello, my name is Cristian Camilo Mogollón, exam 2. Today I want to tell you about the law that has the title of retraction deposit. It is based on Article 1859 of the Civil Code of Colombia. Say that if a person sells a property, this person has the right to receive a cash advance payment, but this money remains as a guarantee of the conclusion or execution of the contract, and it is understood that each of the contracting parties may withdraw considering the following. If the person who delivers the advance retracts, he loses the entire advance. If the person who received the advance retracts, he must double the amount received and return it. I want to buy an apartment and I made a visit, so from the moment I saw it I like it a lot to live with my family. Therefore, we made an agreement with the sellers where she asked me for an amount of the money as an advance to separate it. I could not fulfill the purchase and I lost the money of the advance. If I were a legislator, I would like to change this article so that people don't lose part of their saving and be able to leave a minimum percentage of compensation for retracting. Thanks.